Everybody, I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm making like a individual video for these two slides because if I chose to make one with like all three of these slides, it'll probably just take too long. So here we go. So what you want to do, so you click shapes as usual, and then after that you wait a second, yeah. So you don't want to like click rectangle. You want to you want to do this with the like a single bevel corner. Just like that. Make sure it's make sure it's whatever transparent color you need and done. So then after that, you just put it to the proper size. Then you go to the arc. Just like that. Then you change the border color to whatever color is needed. And then after that, you make sure the fill color is your second color. Then you make sure it's like that. And that. And then after that, you you make sure to get it to the correct thing. Then you use these lines. These lines can be pretty useful once you use them. So you use the lines for that. Then you like want to leave them there. And then after that, you go to right triangle and then done. What is going on? Alright. Come on. Give me a second. So you make sure to align the triangle to the border of the bevel. And then after that, you change it to the same color as this shape, just like that. Make sure to remove the border. And then, yeah. After that, you want to, for the border, we're going to use actual shapes, not the borders. So, after that, you want to get the rectangle. Make sure it's the right size. Just like that. Oops, little mistake. Let me make sure it's right. Give me a second. Alright, it's vertical. After that, you do this. Then you want to remove the border of the border, obviously. The definition of a border is that, like, it basically is the highlight around something. It's not really like a shape, it's a highlight around something. Also makes Google Slides designs really good. So after that, we make sure to put it like that. See? It's coming along very easy. Very easy. The corners are the very difficult parts to it. So after that, you want to do the same thing for the other side. Just press Control D to duplicate. And then after that, make sure to make sure it's at the correct size. Like that. Done. We've done the vertical part. Now all we have to do is the horizontal. So you want to press Control D again. And then you want to rotate it to like the, make sure it's aligned with the inner border of the border. So yeah, the reason you don't want the borders to have borders is because it will just look weird. Because the definition of a border is to highlight the like perimeter around a shape or an object, a two-dimensional object. As you can see, I accidentally made it a little too wide. Let me fix that real quick. Wasn't perfect, but I'm doing good so far. So you want to do the same thing for horizontal as usual. Do that. Then that. Just like that. Give me a second. Done. Now, this is going to be the most difficult part of the thing. So you want to go to shapes again. You go to round single corner rectangle. That's it. Difficult pronunciation, but we'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. So you do that. And then that. Make sure it's like that. And then you want to remove the border as usual. Done. Very easy. Forgot to change that color to white. But yeah. Now you want to duplicate it to make it a little bit easier. And then you do the same thing for the other side. Just like that. Then you press Control D again to duplicate. Then you flip it. And then you rotate it. Just like that. Quite simple. Quite simple. So, yeah, that's how you make the color borders. As you can tell, this stuff is going to be more complicated, so the next videos will probably be much longer. So yeah, have a good day. See you in the next video.